Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to access archive content on Instagram. So it's very easy to do it. You can open the settings and activity and you can go to the archive. Here you can access your archive content such as your posts, your stories and your live archive. For example, this is my post stories, and also if you tap it here, you can create your cutout stickers, and if you're done you can save stickers. And sticker didn't save. This is my first cutout. Congratulations on creating your first cutout sticker. It's saved with other stickers so you can use it on your reels and stories, for example here. So when you post a stories, you can access your cutout stories in here, or you can create your cutout stories in here also. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.